Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today in this video we'll explain how to make Windows animations smoother and improve the overall visual performance of your PC. Step 1. Press the Windows key and type Advanced System Settings, then press Enter. This opens system performance options that control how Windows animations behave. Step 2. In the System Properties window, click on the Settings button under the Performance section. This area lets you adjust visual effects that impact smoothness and speed. Step 3. Select Adjust for best performance to disable heavy animations, or choose Custom to manually enable options like smooth edges of screen fonts and animate windows when minimizing and maximizing. These settings balance smooth visuals and system performance. Step 4. Click Apply to save the changes. Windows will immediately use the new animation settings for smoother transitions. Step 5. Restart your computer if needed to ensure all changes take effect properly. This helps Windows fully apply the updated visual settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more simple and helpful Windows tutorials.